Hi everyone, I'm Piggy. Welcome to my channel where I'll be reviewing various things like cooking, toys, vacation, and many more. Um, oh, I do plan to improve in the future my camera, my sound, my lightings. Please do not kill me in the comments, but please also leave constructive feedback so I can improve as I go along. Um, if it's your first time here today, I do want to ask you if you found this video informative or fun to watch, please like, comment, subscribe, and let's get this video started. So today I'll be reviewing a drone. And the drone I'm reviewing is this DJI Mini 3. Um, I got this drone. First of all, I'm a first-time drone user. I've never flown a drone before, but I've always wanted to. So this is coming from a very first-time user perspective. I chose this drone for several reasons, and I'm gonna put these specs up here as I go through them. The first major reason is that it's small, it's lightweight. It weighs 249 grams with a standard battery inserted in it, which is great for someone who wants to travel and fly drones in different places. This drone is going to meet most countries and other places regulations. So that was a great plus for me. This drone also has, from other reviews I've been saying, it has great battery life. The standard batteries goes up to 38 minutes, so it says on the box. Yeah, so let's get started. Here we have the box. In the box, there was this bag. Bag looks pretty good, pretty nice bag. Let's crack this thing open. Yeah, pretty nice bag. Look like we got this over here. We got the drone. Yeah, this is a drone in my palm. Looks pretty. Looks small. Look like there's a covering case here that covers the camera. Yeah, pretty nice. What else we got in here? Looks like we got the controller. Right off the back, it's not the standard controller. As you can see, we have a display screen. It came highly recommended. And back here, I do see the knobs. There's Foldable kit. Let's see what the Foldable kit also comes with here. I see there's two batteries and an extra battery slot, but I do see it look like the drone has the third battery in. Yep, got 3 batteries and a charger. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, it looks nice, empty. Let's see what comes in this one. The menu, a screwdriver, and 2 charging ports. Looks like. Yeah. So this is what the DJI Fly kit Mini 3 comes with, and I'll put more information on the links where I got this and some other helpful videos down in the description, so be sure to check that out. So as you can see here, I plugged in the controller to charge, and I was impatient, and I went ahead and powered it on. And when I powered it on, I had an option of either registering or logging in if I already had an account. I didn't have an account, so I quickly created an account. It just asks for email and password. And then I had to set the time, the date, the location, the language. And then I came to this welcome page, and then get started. And as you can see, yeah, it's pretty straightforward. They give you all the instructions. You swipe to the next. It lets me know what all these buttons do. As you can see, this adjusts the camera up and down, and this one zooms in and out of the camera. We have the record and taking pictures. We have this button right here, which will be this button, that if you press and hold it, it activates the RTH, which I looked up. I think it's the tracking. And then if you press and hold it, the drone will also stop and hover in place. And then there's up here we have 3 different modes. You have the Sin Smooth mode, the normal mode, and the sports mode. And it just the drone is gonna go pretty fast in the sports mode, but you will lose a lot of things like the obstacle avoidance. The normal mode is when you just operating normally, and Sin mode is when you're really trying to take, I think, quality videos. And then there's this C1, C2 button that you can customize later to do, say, a function that you use repeatedly, and you just want to press the C1 for the drone to do that. And yes, letting you know this red satellite is saying that this controller is not connected to the drone, which is also charging right now. And then you have your battery charging lights that let you know what the battery level is. And when the drone is connected to the controller, this light will become green, as you can see here. So far, once you get this thing started, DJI has made it very, what looks like, easy to follow and get things set up. I'm gonna keep setting up here, and if there's anything important, we'll come back. I will be sure to show you guys. So yeah, it looks like just follow the instructions, and it goes over how to get things connected. As you can see, once you put the drone on, you push this button once, you push it again, and hold it for about 2 seconds. You hear a beep, and the drone is pretty much on at this point. When I got this, the first thing after I set up the time and went through the setup process, the controller needed to update. So I allowed it to update, and pretty much after that, it connected to the drone automatically. Just by having both of them on, as you can see, it's capturing the TV right now. And there's this button off to the side here. I touch that, and you're ready to take off. So I'm gonna quickly try this outside, and when it takes off, it goes up, but it doesn't go up too high. So what you have to do is you push this button down until the green arrow, and then as you can see, there it is. There it is. But for now, this is what I have so far in its first review. Once again, please like, comment, subscribe, and looking forward to posting more videos. Thank you.